Hey lovers, this is the Louis Vuitton Boetie. It is a GM. There's 3 sizes, of course, and this is the Grand Model, the GM. It is a huge city bag. It has these gorgeous pleats, as you can see, and all the extra vachetta, which is in great shape. It's been conditioned to prevent water spots. It actually looks like a bow tie on the top with the pleats underneath. However, it's not named after a bow tie. It's named after a writer and non-violent activist, and his name is Etienne Boetie. It's a gorgeous bag, and I'm going to show you how it looks on because it is a really large bag. It's so spacious, and I know a lot of you out there can't get enough of these big bags. So it has the twist lock closure on the front. And of course you can carry it 2 ways. Don't even know if this strap was ever used. It's in such good condition. It has a little light right here just from the strap being there. The hardware is perfect on that strap. So you have the heat stamp here. It zips as well. Lots of security. And inside we have 2 pockets here. And just lots of space. Lots of space. So like I call these city bags. Louis Vuitton has several things they consider a city bag or a shopper, and these are just large bags that you can put everything in the back. The back looks like this. Simple and sweet little dot right there. Has the gorgeous vachetta on the bottom and some feet for protection. This is in beautiful shape. What it looks like on. This is a 2009. And look at that, I have 2, and this one is just as pretty, and the strap, again, very good condition. It has a little bit more color to it, but it's very even throughout. Both are clean inside and out.